the mountain will continue being behind fully our president. And in this region, once we have accepted you, unless you betray us, because we hate betrayal. Your betrayal we hate. And that is why when Uhuru Kenyatta betrayed you, tuliwachana naye tukakuja kwako. So, Sisi, Your Excellency, let nobody dream and imagine that there can never be a problem. Kama munatafuta shida, muende mutafute pahali ingine. Hapa Mulima, we are good people, we are honest people, and we respect authority. Na sisi nikimalizia nipongeze hao wajumbe wetu, hao members of the National Assembly and the Senate for supporting the president in his legislative agenda. Ningetaka in a very special way kumshukuru Kimani Ichung'wah for the very able leadership in the National Assembly. Ningetaka nimshukuru Dede Nyoro for prosecuting our budgetary process. Ningetaka in a very special way kumpongeza kijana wetu kutoka Molo, the chairman of the Finance Committee. Pia tuko na hao mawaziri wetu, kwa sababu tukirudi hapa tutakwambia shida zetu, but also in a special way. Ningetaka pia kumshukuru sana Professor Kithure Kindiki kwa kutusaidia kumaliza pombe katika Mount Kenya. And also wengine, Linturi, fertilizer, nini, tunashukuru.